What's up YouTube, this is Danny, and this is a very different setup location. This is actually the hallway of my house, and today, as I comb my beard down, my mustache, today we're going to be replacing the very boring Honeywell Not Smart thermostat. Nothing wrong with it, it's like 20 bucks I think. It's just bland and boring. And we're going to be upgrading to the Nest Thermostat E, which is this right here. Now, I picked up this device on eBay for about 70 bucks. It's an open box. He says it's new. We'll see if it works. If it works, cool. But I thought I'd go ahead and make a video showing the process of taking off the old thermostat and hooking up the new one. It's super simple. I've done this a million times. It doesn't come with instructions, but I don't need them because I've done this before. So we're going to do just that. So let's get started. Okay, so the first things first is we have to get rid of this. So, got the power tools ready. I'm just gonna rip this off the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in to the wall. And yes, there's baby me, my brother, and other people. So, about right there, I think that'll be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this off the wall. Like that. Simple enough. I now have no control to my heating and cooling, but not a big deal, who cares? So what I need to do now is get these undone. What I want to do though is I want to take a picture of this chart so I can use this same chart for the new Nest. So let's do that. Okay, so it's probably hard to see, but the wires G, Y, W, and R are now disconnected, so no big deal. So now what I need to do is simply unscrew this from the wall and it'll come right out. So we're gonna do that right now. So here we go. Like that, right off the wall, no problem. So now, I just have to feed this through here, like so. There you go, it's off, no problem. And a few seconds later, I now have the beauty plate for the Nest installed. 2 screws hold it in, no problem. This tripod's a little crooked, so it makes it look crooked on the wall, but it's actually straight. So yeah, no problem. Very easy, very simple to use. Anybody can do this. It just takes a power drill, really. And now we're gonna hook up the Nest brain to the wall, and then we're gonna hook up the Nest. So here we go. All right, so I've got yellow, green, red, and white all hooked up. So in theory, this should just work. So let's put the face on, and we will see if it does just that. Because if not, I have to contact PayPal and eBay and get a refund on this, but hopefully it'll be just fine. So here we go. Line this up. Snaps in. Do we have? It's lighting up. Let me turn off the ring light here. So far, so good. All right, English US. Yep. Internet connection. Connect. Very cool. All right, so let me add a password. In fact, let me get my tripod so you guys can get a better view of this. Okay, so I just entered in my password. And the thermostat is online, so press to continue. And by doing that, you just press around the ring. Checking for a software update. Okay, the thermostat will automatically update later. Your location is where we're going now. Continue. No, we are not in Prairie Village. I am North America. Let's try automatic. No, it's way off. Okay, North America, USA. All right, let me put in this information real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so we just did a check to make sure I wired everything right, and I did. I have heating, cooling, and fan. So continue. What is your source for heating? I'm pretty sure it's electric. What type of heating do you have? We have forced air. All right, now temperature. Should nest begin by heating or cooling your home? Heating. Yes, we're going to do that. Heat to. Heat to 70. Cool to. Wait, I guess choose your eco temperatures. So eco is what? 70, cool to. $76, I guess. Done. Not really sure what that means. System test. That's does not configure for your system. Sweet. Test now. Let's do it. Let's do heating. Yep, as you can hear it, click on. Sweet. Okay, done. The heat has been turned off. Very nice. Cooling. Okay, well, it's too cold, so fan. All right, fan kicked on, as you can hear. Kicked on as well, no problem. Sweet. Done. The fan's been turned off. Now we're done. Nest app. Yes. Okay, so I have to get the key. All right. So let me put that in and I'll be back. And as you can see, it is done. So it's as easy as turning down and turning up. So nice. So there you guys go. I will link this below if you want to pick up one yourself. Super easy to install. It took less than 10 minutes, honestly. Easy setup. All you gotta do is just configure it on the app after adding it to your Wi-Fi. You can set up custom schedules. You can set up an auto schedule, which I have it on right now. And yeah, to turn it up and down, turn the knob. See that? So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.